face with simple nourishing face wash. After that, I have used my Good Vibes Rose Glow toner, and then to moisturize my face I am using Elf Delhi Hydration Moisturizer. This gives a right amount of moisturization and hydration, and also it has got slight tackiness for the makeup to adhere to our skin. Next, I will be brushing my brow hairs in place first, and then using Miss Claire brow pencil in the shade dark brown, I will outline the brows and fill it in with the same brow pencil. Next step is using a primer, and here I am using Bellora Cosmetics hydrating primer. This is a silicone free primer and free of any harsh chemical. Bellora Cosmetics is a chemical free brand, and as you can see, this gives a nice glowiness and dewiness to my skin. Next, to blur out my pores, I am using Inside Cosmetics eyeshadow based primer, and this does a very good job to blur out your pores, though it is an eyeshadow based primer, but I can use it very well on my face. For today's base makeup, using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, dotting the foundation first onto my skin, and after that I will blend it out with a Damn Beauty blender from Real Techniques. I love this foundation because of its coverage. If you want, you can easily build it up. If you want, you can keep it to medium, and also it is budge proof, sweat proof, and good for oily skin people. You can even use on your dry skin, but you have to prep your skin very well. To highlight under my eyes and center of my face, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and this is a very good dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. If you don't have a chance to get your hands on that, you can definitely use this, because this gives a very nice coverage, blends easily, and also it is crease proof. At least for me, it did not crease on me ever since I have used it. And I'm using my concealer brush to blend out the concealer. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set under my eyes and rest of my T-zone area. Also, I will be baking around my nose and around my mouth area, because that is the region where I get oily very soon. And to set the rest of my face, using Nykaa Compact in the shade 05 Olive, and using a powder brush to set the rest of my face makeup. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'll be using Balm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronzer in the shade Graham E, and with that I will be bronzing the outer perimeters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, the jawline, the forehead, and also I will use the same bronzer to contour my nose as well. If you're someone like me who loves their natural sun-kissed glow, then this bronzer does the job very nicely. And also I love my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. After that, I will be taking a damp sponge to press the product into my skin, and this will give me a very natural bronzing effect. For today's eyeshadow, I'll be using Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette in the variant Smoke It Up. From that, taking that deeper brown shade, and I will place it all over my lid, and then mixing that two shade, I will diffuse the edges of that brown shade. Lining my upper lash line area very closely with a black eye pencil, and then using a stiff pencil brush to smudge out that kajal ever so slightly. Next, taking that black shade from the palette, and I will smoke out the upper lash line area to give that smoky effect, lining my upper and lower waterline area with the same kajal, and with the help of that deeper brown shade, I will smudge and smoke out my lower lash line. Taking this peachy coral shade, I will use it as my blush. This is a very versatile palette. You can use it for your whole face makeup, like to bronze your face, as your blush, highlighter and all. Now using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, I will highlight the highest points of my face like the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, also the tip of the nose and a little bit onto my temples. Highlighting the brow bone area and the inner tear duct area with same Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Now it's time for some mascara, and today I'm using Rimmel Day to Night mascara. I love this mascara very much. I used to not love it earlier, but now I do. So I'm coating my upper and lower lash line. Then I will be using Essence Brow Gel to set the brow hairs in place. I have used some fake lashes, but if you are not comfortable using it, you can definitely skip this and use a very nice volumizing and lengthening mascara. Hiding the lash band with an eyeliner. Lining my lip with Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Cherry Brown. This is a very versatile shade. It goes with all lip colors. For the lipstick, I have used Faces Canada HD Plus Matte lip color in the shade Natural Cocoa, best suited for dusky skin. Last step is to set the makeup in place with MAC's Fix Plus, and this is the completed Shoshti look. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I will see you soon with my next series.